Hello everyone, my name is Alex. I'm a computer engineering major at Syracuse University. I'm a senior. So some things I feel like you should know coming to Syracuse University for computer engineering major is firstly, they kind of have you dig into a more programming space around the freshman year. So that'll be your things like your Python 101 class. Then we go into C++ and Java, talking about some object-oriented programming and data structures. And then around your sophomore year, you'll go into more of the electrical engineering space with things like linear systems and digital logic design, and you'll have labs associated with all these classes as well. And here we are standing in the senior engineering lab. And then senior year, they kind of all come together into this space behind me where you can pretty much create any senior design project that you want. So this course is a year-long course where you're assigned a team based on a presentation that you give. It could be any topic you're choosing, and you kind of attempt to create some type of project that combines both computer and electrical engineering skills, and it creates a project that you can present at the computer engineering open house in May at the end of your senior year. So between my junior and senior year, I interned at Automatic Data Processing. Most of you will probably know that it's ADP. I used most of my programming skills in Python and JavaScript, and I worked on data visualizations. And then they actually gave me a full-time offer to return there after senior year. So I'll be going back and working on something in the artificial intelligence space. I think all of the opportunities here, from all of the courses, the clubs, and the professors here at Syracuse University, they've given me plenty of opportunity to pursue anything that I wanted within my major, and it set me up for a successful career after graduation. I hope you get a chance to visit soon.
Hi, my name is Ellie. I'm a student here studying electrical engineering. I wasn't originally electrical engineering. I switched my major 3 times in my freshman year, but I eventually found this major and I'm super happy I did. I've been able to do so many cool projects, many in this lab, including my junior design project and now my senior design project, which is super exciting. So for my junior design project, you start with 3 basic guided projects. For one, we had a camera that we had to kind of control if it would stay level, so it could follow a face, or it could just kind of keep pointed at the ground no matter which way you turn it, which was super cool to kind of be able to actually apply that to a real world situation. For my junior design project, it's something that you get to kind of create something that you're interested in. So for us, we decided to make a little motor that could tune a guitar to a certain frequency. So you would kind of select what string you wanted to tune, and then it would tune it to that kind of set bass frequency, which was super cool. And now for our senior design project, we're actually working on a robot that can solve puzzles. So we're kind of just testing it right now, and it can kind of pick up blocks and move them around to different locations. And so we're hoping that with that suction cup, we'll be able to use that with puzzle pieces and put them together using a puzzle solving algorithm that we're also working on. I'm super grateful for all of the opportunities I've had and all my experiences here at Syracuse, and I'm hoping you can also get those same opportunities by coming here. I hope to see your faces on campus.
Hi, my name is Angel Medina. I'm a senior studying electrical engineering here at Syracuse University. One of the biggest things about electrical engineering is how ample the job market is. Energy is growing and ever growing. It won't go away. So in high school, I decided that that was one of the things that I really wanted to do. It ties on to a lot of my personal things, like being an automotive person and a person that wants to do something that's a little bit more challenging than normal. So I really enjoyed it, and I've enjoyed it thus far. There's a lot of hands-on courses here at Syracuse University. One of the biggest things about our program is it's ABET certified. So on top of us doing lecture stuff, we have to do a lot of hands-on lab work. From freshman year all the way to senior year, you are in a lab working on some sort of device, whether it's a microcontroller, FPGA, or even just some regular binary and digital logic design. You will have that hands-on experience. One of the favorite things that I've done every year, we can start freshman year, was our final project where we had to build a Simon Says game using binary theory, a lot of programming with Python, and then just simple wiring mechanics. Sophomore year, we participated in a course called Digital Logic Design, where the laboratory, we'd have to work with FPGAs, which is a good software to build microcontrollers and CPUs from. And so we worked in the computer lab and we designed them using our computers using Intel Quartus. That one was pretty cool. And then we got to see a lot of our digital logic design happen in front of us. Junior design is very rigorous from fall to spring. You have a dedicated microcontroller laboratory class where you get to work in the microcontroller lab and understand kind of the extent of what Arduinos and Adafruit devices can do. And then now with junior and senior design, we get to design our own custom projects. A lot of it deals with analog and digital signal processing. But yeah, it is very interesting. My project for senior design is specifically dealing with an accessibility device. I'm working with my group mates right now to build a vest which will be able to help those who are visually impaired or legally blind to navigate around, the world. It have a depth sensing camera that'll be able to detect objects, whether it's a person or a table, things of that nature. And then it would be able to relay either through vibration motors that we put around the abdomen or speakers that we put on the shoulders. It's also pretty cool because it's supposed to be accessible for all ages. We're going to implement fall detection, so in case a user does use it and they fall, it's able to alert the proper authorities. I think it's pretty cool. I can apply everything that I've done in the past 3 years and put into something I really enjoy. Again, one of the big advantages of being an electrical engineer is how the energy industry is growing. That means when we go to career fairs, we're able to talk to so many employers who are having actively open internships or positions. Over the last summer, I interned at a company called TRC Companies Incorporated, which is an international company, but they have specifically a office dedicated for electrical engineers. I had a blast working with them. I've done a lot of substation design, protection and controls, which you'll learn about some when you get into your upper courses here at Syracuse University. And I'm returning this June as an electrical engineer for that same team. It's very good to have this experience and these lectures here in this course because they directly show what's going on in the real world. When I have to go to a site visit or when I have to open up AutoCAD or MicroStation, having that prior knowledge and having that prior experience hands-on made it much more easier for me to understand the theories behind what I was doing. Overall, I'd say I'd had a broad experience for electrical engineering when it came to energy or when it came to microprocessing. It's very balanced, and you also have to take some other courses that make it more inclusive for yourself, and you just get a broad experience of what it means to be an electrical engineering out there once you start your career.